this is Miss Katie. Welcome to Heritage Ways, and you found me here today at our home, our Village Homestead Heritage House. I've sliced up some jalapeños. I'm going to dehydrate them in the two dehydrators that I own. We're going to see which one works better, and then what I'm going to do with the jalapeno slices after they're dehydrated.
All right, y'all, my number one tip when dealing with hot peppers is to wear food service gloves. Trust me, believe me, I can tell you I learned the hard way years ago, and now I keep food service gloves. I usually buy them at Gordon Food Service. You can buy them other places. I keep them to have them on hand. Get it? On hand. And if you don't, you are going to regret it, because even wearing the gloves, y'all, I can wear them, take them off, wash my hands real well, wait a while, and then rub my face or my eyes without thinking, and I still get a burning, from the peppers. So just wear the gloves. Also, my brother told me the other day, he was making salsa, because he likes to make salsa just like I do, and he learned that if you wanted to reduce the heat on peppers, jalapeno peppers, to soak them in salt water. He said the longer you soak them in the salt water, the more heat is removed. So I assume also you would rinse them afterwards. I haven't tried that because I actually want the heat in the jalapenos, but that's a tip for you. Okay, on both of my dehydrators, I keep it on 105, because that way, at that temperature, the enzymes, the good, powerful enzymes that are in the food, are not cooked or not killed. So I keep pretty much anything I think I've ever dehydrated, I have done it at 105. Somebody else might not agree. You might do it differently. This has worked for me for years and years of using the Excalibur, and then the Nesco is new to me this summer, but I still 105 degrees.
After almost 13 hours at 105 degrees, I've checked both. They're both equally dehydrated, I think. Quite honestly, these are a little bit harder to break. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these keep these on for a little bit longer. And then the Excalibur peppers. Since I'm going to make these into powder, I want them crispy. I'm going to turn them on for another, it's not going to hurt them, for another probably hour, but these may be a little more done than, well, there they go. They're hiding. Actually, I think these are ready. These are ready before the Nesco ones. Not too far off though.
Okay, it has been 17 hours total. Quite honestly, I think these are ready in about 13 hours or maybe even less. But like I said, I wanted them really brittle so that I could put them in my Vitamix and make jalapeno powder. So let's look at this. This is the Nesco Garden Master. So that's much better. My assessment is the Excalibur might have gotten these a little more, might have worked a little bit faster, but quite honestly, I see the same results in both for this particular food and experiment. So, I do suggest you take advantage of the electricity you're using and try to fill all your trays, no matter what dehydrator you're using. I want to let them sit here because they might take on some humidity, some moisture from the air. It's supposed to storm this afternoon. So there's a little moisture in the air. Now, I could have tended to these a little earlier probably. But I have other kitchen homestead chores to take care of. I don't know how many jalapenos this was. I didn't count, sorry, they were large. Okay, I'm also including the seeds for the heat. Because you know, you buy, when you buy crushed red peppers, it has the seeds in it. So that's part of the flavor. This has, the Excalibur has 9, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trays. It's also got these Teflon sheets. This is the one I've been using forever. I got it once upon a time when we lived 2 farmhouses ago in the 1830s farmhouse back in Marshall County, Tennessee. A homeschool friend was selling this. Here, I'm getting these seeds too. She was selling this for $50 because she needed some, from what I remember, I haven't kept in touch with her, I lost touch, but she was moving back to Australia and she was just desperate to sell her stuff. So she sold this for $50, and I'm not sure, but I think the thing is worth over a couple hundred, I think. I mean, I paid what she asked. Okay, so that was a bowl full. I've still got some seeds I need to clean out, but that was a bowl full of jalapenos. I'm going to get this out of the way. I appreciate y'all being here. This is one of the first videos I've made for Heritage Ways Public here at Heritage House. I know y'all, if you're new to us, welcome. If you're not new, then you know that we've been sharing all of the Heritage House renovations and moving in and everything, emotions and everything on Heritage Ways Patreon. And like I said, if you've been with us a while, you know that we've chosen to do that for security and safety reasons. So we appreciate your understanding that, and we have almost 40 families right now who have joined us on Heritage Ways Patreon to learn about Heritage House and everything we're doing. So if you're interested in that, we feel like it's a very, very, very economical way to follow us and see what's going on at Heritage House for 50 cents a week. So anyway, this is half of a Vitamix. I've got another video talking to you excuse me, about tomato soup in the Vitamix. I love our Vitamix. It's stained, but it's well loved. But it fills about half. It says 1 liter. About, well, a scant 4 cups. Yeah, maybe, yeah, a scant 4 cups. I'm just going to powder these suckers, and then I'm going to jar them up. I'll tell you in a minute how I think I'm going to use them. I've never done this before with powdered jalapenos. I've made candied jalapenos, cowboy candy, which is delicious. I want to make sure this is off before I... Alright, it's going to be loud, so I'm going to mute that for you. That was done in real time. So that's how long it took. What was that? Not even a minute? I don't know. Whew, I'm tempted to try that. What I'm gonna do, that's some strong stuff, baby. Woo, woo, woo. We'll let the dust settle, and then I'm going to sorry, I inhaled it. Let the dust settle, and then I'm going to put it in a jar. I plan to use it by very conservatively. You know, I might put a pinch in whatever I want to add some heat to. You know, like you might have chili pepper powder or something like that. So that is it. Now, let's see. I can't see without my trifocals. I'm going to say it made like a half a cup of powder. So, made about a half a cup of powder, bowl full of jalapeños, about a scant 4 cups dehydrated, a half a cup of powder. So that's it. That is my dehydrated. Why do I do it to myself? Mercy. That's it. Let me get that lid back on, and I'll get it jarred up. Thanks for joining me today. And I look forward to making more videos and putting out more content that honors the home, celebrates heritage, and spreads hope for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Oh. Ooh.